and now the withdraw function. So here is the same thing. I have a withdraw function that does the require owner and gets the ID. And I wanted to divide this into two functions because on the burn side, I require owner as well, and I have the ID. And then I will call withdraw to withdraw my stake before burning. And it should not translate again and verify if require owner, if I am the correct owner again. Okay, so that's just optimizations, but it makes this sense to save gas. So in this case, I am doing this. Let's see if this works now. Withdraw amount. That's it. We have the handle. And this withdraw as a token ID, of course. We need to pass the ID here. Okay. So withdraw function calls the underscore withdraw, which is an internal function. Okay. And it just does the transfer of the stake. Of course, it should check if this is okay. Don't have the handle here. This is a problem. I don't like to have these errors. Sometimes we send handles back. Sometimes we send token IDs because we don't have the handle. This is very bad. I don't like this. So I'm not changing this. I want handles in the errors so that it makes sense. So what do we have to do? We have to pass in the handle just because we can. In this case, it's an internal function. It's not a problem. And since we are giving preference to have handles in the public interface, then token IDs, I think that makes sense. So we are back to this part that we use burn here. Should we use here another words, or should we call register mint? I think we should do it this way. Keep what we talked about in the other episode. Keep the standard functions, function names, and take care of that in the SDK level. Yeah. So mint registers a new handle, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Perfect. Update is self-explanatory. Withdraw. We need to pass handle here. There we go. And the ID. And that's it. So handle, it's not used. No. State mutability can be restricted to, but it will change the state. So hang tight. So we can do the withdrawing, and we have the handle and the ID, and that's it.